Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Silent Hill 2 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and after logging in, you will end up within the store page. From here, click on the search box, and now you can type in Silent Hill 2 to begin your search. When you find the game, just click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition of the game. You can then click on View My Cart to continue towards your payment. After this, you can use your Steam Wallet balance or one of the payment methods within the drop-down menu. After entering your credentials of the chosen payment method, you can complete the transaction and the game will be added to your library. Then you will just need to choose your installation directory to begin the download and installation. After it is completed, you can then start enjoying the Silent Hill 2 game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Silent Hill 2 on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.